Welcome to the IBM Maximo Anywhere installation course. In this series of videos, we will walk through an installation of Maximo Anywhere version 763 that uses Microsoft SQL Server and an Android mobile device. Before installing Maximo Anywhere, verify that you have an installed, operational, and accessible Maximo Asset Management version 7.6 system. Throughout this series of videos, the Maximo Admin Workstation is the computer that contains and manages the corresponding C IBM SMP directory structure for your Maximo environment. A number of deployment topology options exist for installing Maximo Anywhere and IBM Mobile First Platform Server. In this instance, the topology is a single server deployment where Maximo Anywhere and Mobile First Server are installed on the same computer. This is designated as the Mobile First Server. The existing Maximo Asset Management version 7.6 environment on the admin workstation is running Microsoft Windows Server 2012, an Oracle 12c database, and IBM WebSphere application server. Videos 2 and 3 cover prerequisites and administration tasks. 4 through 6 cover the overview and installation of the required components. Video 7 covers the middleware, IBM WebSphere Application Server Liberty version on the Mobile First Server. 8 and 9 cover Mobile First Server. Video 10 covers Maximo Anywhere version 7.63. Video 11 covers creating a runtime environment on the Mobile First Server. Video 12 covers security authentication. The final video covers downloading a Maximo Anywhere app from Google Play and connecting it to the Maximo Anywhere environment. By the end of this course, you will know how to install Maximo Anywhere, how to configure authentication methods for the platform, and how to connect an Android mobile device to the Mobile First server.